Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to bake with Unity Lighting. Lighting makes it so you can use it on either NVIDIA GPUs or AMD, so it works for both and it's better. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Using Ratman's Halloween 2021 for this example of Unity Lighting and an unmeshed combiner. You can find this in my Discord. So for the unmeshed combiner, you just want to go to Tools, Unmeshed Combiner. And then it just decombines everything, so you can move it around and stuff. If you're in a newer project, you probably have to go to this search bar and then search up probuilder, and then click Install. After you install probuilder, go to Tools, probuilder window. And then you want to probuilderize everything in this. Once you have probuilderized most of your stuff that you want to bake, you want to duplicate all the objects. For what I do normally is I just copy the parent object. I copy the parent object, disable the original object, and then just keep doing that. If you're in an older update, your forest is probably combined into this. To not have it as that, you want to duplicate forest, delete everything inside of it. And then once you have your forest, you want to drag it in forest. You want to click on the original parent object and then disable these two. And that's it. After you're done with that, your map should look pretty bright, but it's okay. If you probuilderized and duplicated the objects, it's fully okay already. For baking, you want to go to Window, Rendering, Lighting. Then you want to put it over here. Now just copy the settings I do. Baked and Direct, GPU, just keep these. And then for balances, just put 4. And then for light map, resolution, you want to put 28. And then 4. And then max light map size. And then no compression, ambient collision, albedo boost. And then you want to make a new one of these by doing this. Oh wait, no, you have to do this. And then find light map parameters, and then just select your new one. And then just keep it there. Maybe turn this down a little. And then after that, you want to go to environment, then keep that as that, and then keep that as 1040, and then do custom, and then you want to do this, and then you want to find custom render texture. You want to drag it on. Now put point no filter on point on this, I guess, and then just keep it as that. And then after that, you want to maybe turn this down a little, turn this up to like 2, and then delete the default skybox, and then it should have a directional light right here. You should be able to just enable that and then set it to static. Then after that, you're fully able to bake. After I bake, let's see what it looks like. After it is done baking, for me, it looks like this. Yeah, it looks pretty good in my opinion. For me, it took a few minutes for my thing to be done, and all you have to do, if you want to make it quicker, use a 2023 version. And that is all for my baking lighting tutorial.